This is the East Idaho weather hazard briefing for Monday, April the 28th. Key points to go over is light precipitation will be ending around noontime or shortly thereafter. We are looking at a few isolated thunderstorms that'll be around the area this afternoon. We're not expecting anything too significant from those storms, though. We are looking at another weak system that'll arrive late Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night. Once again, that'll produce just another round of light precipitation across the region. And then looking at temperatures soaring well above normal for late week. Looking at our satellite image today, you see a big swirl of clouds generally over northern Utah. That's our storm system that has been bringing some unsettled weather to the region. The weather risk outlook calls for little to no hazards over the next few days. Looking at our high temperatures for today, generally right around 60 degrees in many locations. Looking at a chance of precipitation today, it's rather high across much of central and eastern Idaho as we're looking for wraparound rain and snow from this latest system to track through the region today. Expected rainfall amounts look like they're going to be pretty light, with the heaviest rainfall amounts generally up around Ashton Island Park area, where we could see a tenth to a quarter of an inch of precipitation possible. There is a little bit of high elevation snow occurring today, generally up above 7,000 feet in many areas. Highest peak wind gusts generally expected to be right around 15 miles per hour today, so not too windy for the most part. We are going to have a little bit of lingering precipitation, mainly into the evening hours tonight, and not a whole lot of, in terms of amounts, though, very, very light amounts. So looking at our low temperatures tonight, generally expected in many areas to be above freezing. High temperatures for Tuesday, likely to be in the mid and upper 60s across the Snake Plain and Magic Valley, generally in the 50s across the highlands. Chance of precipitation for tomorrow, generally tomorrow afternoon is when we start seeing precipitation chances increase. And then going into tomorrow night, you see the better precipitation chances move out of central Idaho and through eastern Idaho. Precipitation amounts generally expected to be light once again. Best precipitation amounts looks like they'll be over the Island Park Driggs region, where a tenth to a quarter of an inch of precipitation is likely. Highest wind gusts on Tuesday will be a little bit breezier with 25 to 30 mile per hour winds, pretty common across Snake Plain. Low temperatures going into Wednesday morning, generally expected to be above freezing in most areas. And then high temperatures once again on Wednesday expected to be generally in the mid 60s across Snake Plain and Magic Valley, with 50s across the mountains and highlands. Chances of precipitation on Wednesday mainly confined to southeast Idaho will have the best chances of precipitation, and most of that precipitation should end by Wednesday evening. Highest wind gusts on Wednesday, generally 15 to 20 miles per hour across the area. So just to summarize, light precipitation ending early this afternoon, with some isolated light thunderstorms possible this afternoon. Another weak system arrives for Tuesday afternoon, and we're looking at temperatures remaining well above normal for late week. So that concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you very much.